Good morning, Buster. So, I've been waiting on a message from a friend of mine whose shield factory I've been working at. That's what I've been kind of doing since I got back. However, when I was over in Asia, aside from just filming YouTube videos, I was also teaching English, and I never made any videos about that or anything. So teaching overseas is probably the most common thing that most backpackers do at some point, even if it's for a short term. This is a shot from the school that I was working at, kind of looking over the center square of Yinzhou. Oh yeah. What happens when you get your stuff shipped overseas? I'm guessing this is what it goes through. This is the process that none of us seen. So I can't remember why I was recording this, but there's two cops, there they are. They just stand there, and this was every single day. They would just stand there and do absolutely nothing. Like, you'd have people jaywalking, you'd have people driving the wrong way, you'd have an accident, and they would basically just stand there until they were absolutely needed to do something or intervene. Oh, look at that dude on the bike. He's just going wherever he wants, and the cops just stand there. I actually watched a cop like down 3 pints of beer in a KFC before simply just returning to guard duty on the street. It's crazy. The one day I arrived and I saw these guys. This one guy was standing. I think he was standing on the balcony that the school has on the second floor, kind of leaning over. I think, I don't remember exactly, but here they were taking the sign down, and they did it in the sketchiest way I've ever seen. I mean, look at this. They have a rope tied around the crane unit where the guy is standing in flip-flops. He's trying to, I think he's trying to budget here. This looks so incredibly unsafe. You could not pay me enough to do this. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen.
Dina, you seen this? Yes, he did. He's wearing flip-flops trying to take down a plane. Yeah, that's very safe.
Out there it goes. I still cannot believe this. I still can't get over this. Luckily, I didn't have a class at the time. I think I was still waiting on my first class of the day. So I had time to just stand and watch this. And then you got this guy just hopping over the ledge, and look at that. How is that holding up a sign? My God, that could have, I feel like that could have fallen at any moment. All right, so my friend just called with the face shield factory, and I'm gonna head over there. But first, I'm gonna get this chopped off like I wanted to get it done yesterday. Hopefully the barbershop isn't nearly as packed. Hopefully I can get in and get out. So, as you can see, they were closed. Apparently they are closed on Wednesdays. However, I am arriving at the factory. There is some new signage on the door. 5 Forge.